Why do 75% of successful auto workshops swear by digital display ads? Let's find out. Imagine this: your workshop's name shining bright on every car lover's screen. Digital display ads can make it happen. They're not just for the big leagues anymore. With a few clicks, you can create eye-catching ads that draw customers like a turbocharger draws air. Picture your services and special deals showcased in stunning visuals. Customizable, cost-effective, and crazy effective. And the best part? You don't have to be a tech wizard to get started. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook make it a breeze. Got a new tire service? Show it off. Offering a discount on oil changes? Let the world know. Digital ads put your workshop in the spotlight and keep you ahead of the competition. So, why wait? Gear up and give your workshop the digital boost it deserves. Hit the gas on your marketing game and watch those customers roll in. Ready to drive your success? Start creating those killer digital ads today. Your workshop will thank you.